name is Jed McKeehan, and today we're going to talk about what hearsay is. Okay, hearsay is another one of those legal words that sounds weird, but what does it mean? So here's the definition. Take a breath with me before we dive into this. Hearsay is an out-of-court statement made to prove the truth of the matter asserted. Okay, so let's unpack what that means. And hearsay is something we use in everyday world without thinking about it even twice, okay? But in the legal world, it is inadmissible in court proceedings. So let's use an example. So say Tom kills Jane, and then they have Fred comes and testifies, and he says, well, Larry over there told me he saw Tom kill Jane, okay? And this is Fred saying that. Well, if Fred is unable to say what Larry told him in court because that is considered hearsay, an out-of-court statement made to prove that Tom killed Jane. Okay, so what you need to do is get Larry there to testify about it. This happens all the time. People will tell me, oh, well, their mom said that they saw her using drugs. And I'll say, okay, great. Well, will her mom come and testify to that? They say, oh, no, the mom won't come and testify about that. But I can say what the mom said. Respectfully, that's no good to us, okay? Because you saying what someone else said or saw does not matter and is inadmissible. And people will say, well, they'll sign an affidavit and submit an affidavit. Again, affidavits are worthless to us. That person has to come in person who has that information, who saw it with their eyes and can testify as to what occurred, okay? So again, hearsay, out-of-court statement used to prove the truth of the matter asserted. That's a mouthful. But we do this all the time, okay? When does the game start? 7 o'clock. How do you know that? Well, so-and-so told me because they talked to so-and-so. Okay, cool. Game starts at 7 o'clock. And we rely on that information to make decisions. However, in the legal world, we need the person there who actually saw something, experienced something to be able to testify. The first person account has to be made in the court for it to be admissible. You can find out more about this legal issue and other legal issues by going to my website, attorney-knoxville.com. You can also view my other YouTube videos.